Hey everyone, welcome back to Xcalian Chronicles. In today's video, we're going to break down Wi-Fi 5 or IEEE 802.11ac. Released back in 2013, Wi-Fi 5 was a huge upgrade in wireless technology, paving the way for faster, more efficient internet. Let's dive into how it works and why it's still relevant today. First things first, Wi-Fi 5 operates on the 5 GHz frequency band. Unlike its predecessor, Wi-Fi 4, which use both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, Wi-Fi 5 focuses solely on the 5 GHz band. This allows for less interference and better performance, especially in crowded areas with lots of devices. Next up, Wi-Fi 5 supports a maximum bandwidth of up to 6.93 gigabits per second. This speed boost is a significant jump compared to Wi-Fi 4, and although real-world speeds will be lower, it's still a huge improvement for tasks like 4K streaming, gaming, and large file downloads. One of the key features of Wi-Fi 5 is 256 QAM or quadrature amplitude modulation. This technology allows for more data to be transmitted over the same frequency, increasing efficiency and speed compared to previous standards. Wi-Fi 5 also supports several channel widths: 20 MHz, 40 MHz, 80 MHz, and even 160 MHz. Wider channels let more data flow through at once. So the wider the channel, the faster the speeds, particularly in environments where there's less congestion on the network. When it comes to spatial streams, Wi-Fi 5 supports up to 8 streams in total, which means more data can be sent and received at the same time. This helps improve performance, especially in homes or offices with many connected devices. Wi-Fi 5 uses OFDM orthogonal frequency division multiplexing as its transmission method. OFDM breaks the data into smaller chunks and transmits them on different frequencies, allowing for more efficient use of available bandwidth and reducing interference. So, how does this all benefit you? Well, Wi-Fi 5 delivers faster speeds, better performance, and reduced interference, making it perfect for activities like streaming, gaming, and working from home. Even though Wi-Fi 6 is the latest standard, Wi-Fi 5 is still a solid option for many users. To wrap things up, IEEE 802.11ac Wi-Fi 5 was a major improvement when it was released, and it's still relevant today. It laid the groundwork for Wi-Fi 6 and provided faster, more reliable internet, especially for high-demand activities. If you're still using Wi-Fi 4 or older tech, upgrading to Wi-Fi 5 will definitely boost your experience. Let me know in the comments if you're still using Wi-Fi 5 or if you've made the jump to Wi-Fi 6. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching.